Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Can you guys hear that? Today I just wanted to film an affordable drugstore, really affordable, which is Dollar Tree makeup look, fun makeup look for the summer. And look what I came up with. I don't think I have done this look using this product, because for this look I am using, what is this, you guys? LA Colors. LA Colors has been there for the longest, and they're thriving, of course, always, because they're affordable, they're good, and they last. So I wanted to create this look for you guys, really fun. So I hope you guys love it. I will do my best to add everything on the description box, because I know some of this products you guys can get them at Dollar Tree or on Amazon as well. So I hope you guys love this look. Look at that. I am obsessed with the face. Just look at the face. It looks so good. It looks so freaking good, you guys. I can't believe it. But let's jump right into this video. Starting with a clean, nice, glowy face. Right now, what I have on is just my THAYERS Witch Hazel Spray. Yep, the unscented one. I just pour it right here and I just spray my face, so I don't have to be doing, you know, applying it on my hands. So that's the first thing I did, so I could look nice and glowy. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in, because I'm going to be using these two affordable palettes for you guys. I will link it down below for you guys, but they are by LA Colors, the nude palette, which it looks like this. So many beautiful neutral colors. And this one, which is the smoky one, by LA Colors as well. I just feel like LA Colors has been the GOAT since a long time ago. I remember since high school. So they're pigmented, they're not powdery, and they're super affordable. So I feel like I should create a blue type of eyeshadow. So let me get you a little close. You guys already know the deal. I'm gonna grab some tape and then apply that on the outer corner of my eye. Now applying some concealer, and then I'm going to blend that. I'm gonna begin with that shadow I just showed you guys, and I'm gonna apply that on my crease. It's a little bit on the shimmer side, because they don't have that many. No, I feel like they're all shimmery. There's no matte colors, but we're gonna do our best. This is gonna be such an easy, fun look, you guys. Going to take that white shadow and just apply that on my brow bone. That one did make a difference. Now I'm gonna take the blue palette, the smoky one. I'm gonna grab this gorgeous blue right here, and I'm going to apply that on my inner corners. That one is pigmented. Look at that. How easy. This one's so pigmented. I'm gonna grab this champagne color, and I should have done this before, but I'm gonna pat this onto the middle. For the eyeliner, I'm taking this Essence Super Precise eyeliner. Look at that. It is so freaking thin. So for this step, I always try not to talk. Just look at that. So pigmented, girl. This is such a good eyeliner, and it's so affordable, so I would definitely link that for you. Taking this Ioni pencil eyeliner in black. Look at that. So creamy. You guys know that I can definitely not miss this step right here. There we go. You guys don't want to see that blank line on top. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply this blue shadow on my waterline. So I already wet my little brush. So do this at your own caution, because it could probably irritate your eye. I shouldn't even be doing it, because this eye is irritated. But I'm gonna apply that on my waterline, making sure, ooh, okay, it works. It works nice. And make sure that I didn't have any fallout or anything on the brush. You could definitely feel it if you do have fallout. I'm gonna bring it a little bit down too on the lash line. But look at how pretty. Now I always like to do the inner corners, but because I haven't added foundation or anything, I'm gonna skip that part right now. All right, now I'm gonna add a couple coats and then some lashes, and we'll be done with the eye. You guys already know what lashes I'm going to be using, by Ioni. I have been just using them every freaking time since I got them at Dollar Tree. They are the Wispy Medium Crisscross lashes. I'm back with the other eye. Now I'm gonna apply the Lumi Glotion, and the color that I'm using is in medium glow. I've been loving this, especially when, am I recording? Okay, yeah. Especially when I don't want to wear any makeup. Like, it's so hot in Arizona that I just feel disgusting wearing makeup. But this has been this and a little bit of mascara or just curling my lashes because they're growing. I'm so excited. I'm just so excited. Grande lashes, you are working. You are working. But I apply it all over and look at how beautiful. For foundation, we are applying, because we're probably doing our makeup at the same time, the Almay foundation. This one is a Skin Perfecting Color Matte Foundation in 160 Neutral Beige. I just love the packaging. Lily and Louie. My dogs, you guys, they have been driving me nuts. I just hate the pump. Like, there's no pump. I just hate it. So I'm gonna pour a little bit on the back of my hand like this. Sorry if you guys hear my dogs, they're playing. And I'm gonna take my favorite brush, of course, grabbing a little bit and just applying it onto my skin. Such a good foundation. It's hypoallergenic and it just feels really light on the face. I'm going to apply some concealer by Maybelline in color 15. So this is just like a couple shades lighter than my skin tone. The applicator really sucks. Like, I wish it was just a little bit fatter. It's so skinny right here. Like, I'm running out. All right, I usually let this one dry a little bit because it is like on the thinner side, and then just blend it. This is just basically going to color correct it, and it's really affordable as well. Whenever I'm doing my concealer, I like to take my mirror up here and start blending. Taking this LA Colors, such an OG foundation. I just love the compact. This one is the nude, so I'm gonna take a flat brush like this, grab some, and then just set everything. And I love that it has a mirror. There's some expensive foundations out there that don't even have a mirror. Lily, can you guys hear Lily? She's crying. She wants to go to my son's bedroom. Okay, that works really good. And it doesn't look cakey. And you can find this at Dollar Tree, girl. So when you're applying this under your eye, just look up and press. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild bronzer in Queen's Land. I just love because it doesn't have as like shimmer. It's on the matte side. I'm just gonna bring some color back to my face. And look at that, it looks so nice. Just a little bit, it did a lot. And just contour my nose. My skin looks so good. Look at that. Ooh, that foundation and that powder, such a good combo. So for blush, I'm applying this Milani Bake Blush, and this one is one of their new ones, which is the Pink Panna Cotta in number 16. I love Milani. I'm just going to apply that. Oh, it has like some shimmer on it. It actually looks nice. Look at that. And it's not really pigmented. Just a little bit goes a long way, and it gives you a shimmer. Look at that glow. You guys know that I don't like to apply highlight right there because I'm older. It just emphasizes the pores. To finish everything, I'm just applying a couple coats of this L'Oreal Panorama mascara. And look at that, it just makes a difference big time when you apply mascara. Now moving on to the lips. I have been using this combo. It's a new combo for me, and it's new lip liners from L'Oreal in a color Riche. That's what they are called. And the shades are Worth It Intense and AU Natural. So I'm gonna apply AU Natural, which looks like this. No, it looks like this. I feel like this one should be my everyday lip liner because it's the same color as my lips. Whenever you want your lip to look bigger, always gravitate to something that's a shade of your lips. I overline the top right here, the Cupid's bow, and then look at that. I feel like just like this, I could leave it alone. And I'm gonna grab a little bit of the Worth It Intense. You know what? I'm not. It looks good. It looks good like this. So for the lipstick, this one is in 601 Worth It. Such a beautiful natural shade, such an everyday lippy. It smells so good. It's so creamy and shiny, and there goes that hair again. Oh, Lord Jesus. I'm going to reapply that lip liner again. Okay, for the drugstore setting spray, we're going, of course, with Milani, the Make It Last Flora Scented Setting Spray. It kind of spits at me because maybe I haven't used it in a while. But, it smells so good. Now, if it sprays on your face like it did, just pat your face with your foundation brush. Or, better, with your powder brush. I know this Insta-Ready face eye setting powder by She Glam. It's affordable, so it has a bake one, then it has a powder one inside, which I love to use the bake one. And then, ooh, just apply a little bit, because look at that, girl, look at that. So I'm just gonna keep applying that, mixing it. Okay, let me grab a little bit more. It just makes a difference. Look at that with it and look at that without it. It makes a difference, let me tell you. Look at that, look at how pretty, oh my gosh. I get so happy every time I come up with these looks and they're affordable for you guys, because look at, girl, look at that. Looks so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys love this look. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what do you guys want to watch, because girl, I need to stay busy. So I will see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.